Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back here in this 2022 July the 8th Forex Live Trading. Yes, now we are back here, right? So can I have the MT4 please? Okay, so yes, right now we are back here. Okay, so looks like today is on a Friday. We have to conserve our profits for the week. All right, so yes, please remember that it's important, all right, to conserve the profits. Okay, so now, okay, so hopefully today there's no lagging. Okay, yes, yep. Hi Hubert, hi CK, hi Aiden, right, Bradley, nice to see all of you here, and Alan. Well, okay, so yes. Let's welcome everybody, and I guess this is something good here, and this is a great day to start off, and this is a day that I like to also to see that what will be the trading pattern that we were going to have. Hi Ali, may I know where are you from? Nice to see you here. Thank you so much for coming in here. Right, and okay, so yeah. Okay, so I think today we have a great news here. The world leaders in Japan, right? The world leaders actually now asked to this the former prime minister a shooting issue, right? Okay, so anyway, I think it's a sad thing. Okay, anyway, okay, right. So, okay, what are we going to take a look? Okay, right. Okay, so yes, coming in along the way. There are still have plenty of people coming along the way. Right. So let's see. Right. I'm learning this thing called Dubra Utro. Dubra Utro. I hope I'm pronouncing it correct. Okay, and what are we looking at today? Opera Utro. Yes, I'm learning very hard there. Okay, Hubert, yes, correct. Opera Utro. Slovakia. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Yeah, along the way, apart from trading, yes, I can learn something else. Am I right? Not just trading itself. Okay, Dobra Utro. Okay. Okay, so yes, all right. So over here, can you see me? Good. Okay, this cam can see me, huh? All right. Okay. All right. So how about here? Can you see me, guys? Yes, you can see me. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yeah. And once again, over today, what are we focusing? All right, let me point out. Okay, let me show out in this over here. Okay, so we are looking at this. Okay, so over at this point here. Okay, Aussie franc. All right, thank you, Ali. Right, so Aussie dollar, Euro yen, Euro dollar, pound yen, dollar. Okay, so well, let's take a look right now. What do we have with us here? Okay, pound dollar. Let's take a look at pound dollar. Yesterday we have a very big retracement. Okay, because I had the news of release about Mr. Boris Johnson going to tender his resignation as a prime minister. Am I right? So yeah, the pullback is very strong, and yeah, by looking at this, there's a lot of views that are okay. You know, this prime minister is going down, and pound should be going strong. Okay. Well, anyway, okay. So so today it seems like the pound is actually going back to prevailing trend, as we can see over at this level. Which I have plotted out. We still have quite a long way to go. All right, still have quite a long way to go before we actually hit the target over at this point here. So yeah, so actually right now, what is the situation of pound dollar? Okay, so let me put it back. Okay, let me pull back first. Okay, before, yeah. Okay, so yep, yes. Hubert, yes. Okay. Okay, so looks like things are still going quite okay, all right. Now as we can see, there's the pullback over here, all right. So there's still no sign of any of these looks like the situation looks like the whole pound dollar is still on the trending downwards. Okay, so selling is still possible. Okay, it's just that we are still now looking at where the resistance has actually not shown yet for a very clear one. Okay, so I will still have the support over here. I'm still having a support over at this area here. So still looking at about 28 pips to reach the support. Okay, about 28 pips to reach the support level. So currently, it's still working towards the support level. If it's actually going back to this previous resistance as yesterday, we are looking at this level. So it's actually going back to retest this level. If after retesting this level to go back right down to this resistance area, then very likely we are going to see another swing down. All right. So yeah. Okay, so just keep a lookout for this. Tentatively, there's no chance. Okay, so hang on first. All right, so for pound yen, we are actually escalating as the news yesterday has a release. So today, all right, today we are actually now looking at it retesting the previous resistance as well once again. So hoping that to see the breakout, okay, the breakdown over into the area, so they will continue selling. Okay. So yeah, yes, once again, yes, the selling has already started, and as we can see, we have the resistance over here, right? So around this area that they have tested, all right? So you can see that now it's coming at the point at the rate of its going is that the buying. Now the sellers are coming back to sell, okay, so that continue the selling, right? Okay. So once again, guys, before I go in depth, all right, so excuse myself for into a Mandarin, okay, just a little while, and I come back in English. 所以在这里呢，在这个时段里面，我们在这个时段这个英镑市场里面呢，我们现在就要开始要交易哪一个货币对呢？澳瑞、澳美、欧日、欧美、磅日、磅美啊，就这些货币对我们在关注的。好了，那么我们同时呢，我们呢。在这个YouTube 的这个频道里面呢，我们呢都是在这边一起分享，好不好？我们在这边一起分享，一起有机会进单的话呢，那么大家就可以一起获利。同时，我也要呼吁一下大家说，我在马来西亚里面呢，现在有一个新的群，就是给会听中文的人呢都能加入这个群，好不好？现在这个优惠呢，在这个期间里面呢，好不好？我们就有一个群，我会在这个群里面教课，好不好 ？OK，so 希望大家都能我们的踊跃的加入。OK，so now come back over here。要加入的人呢 ，Roger， 要加入的人呢，到我这个 YouTube channel 里面底下有一个链接，这 Facebook page， 你们可以在那个 Facebook page 里面呢咨询，然后我们可以把你们加入。去这个群里，好不好 ？Okay, so now let's come back here into English once again, my comfortable language. All right, okay, all right. Okay, so let's see. Good morning. All right. Hi, Sabrina. All right. Hi, good afternoon, or should I say it's about time to say good evening to Carol. All right, how's the red white session yesterday? I hope you enjoyed it. Okay, so once again, now let's come back here. All right, and let's see what do we have. Right. So together and today, okay, let's see. Apart from pound yen, let's take a look at euro dollar. All right, euro dollar. Right, euro dollar over here. Okay, we are now going for a selling, breaking through the support. Okay, so we are breaking through the support very soon. testing to break the support. Okay, it's good. So, but then again, is that this support over here, all right? Please hang on, wait for it to retest. Okay, a retracement, a retesting of the support, then we have a chance to start selling. All right, we have a good chance for selling for euro dollar, right? Yes, that is correct. Yep. Okay, good. Yes. All right, so guys, do remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel over here so that we can trade together, share together, and take profit together. Okay, no challenge of anybody, so feel free to voice your view. Okay, so that we can learn from each other. Okay, this is my primary target, to bring all the best traders coming in here, and we can share and we can learn from each other. All right. So it's going to be a big, heart smiling community for all the Forex trader. All right. So yes. So okay. So we are still looking at this point here. All right. So euro dollar is breaking through, good. And now I'm going to wait for a retracement. Okay. Once a pullback coming in, then I will start to have an entry. All right. So at this point here, okay, euro yen, let's take a look. Euro yen is also right now is actually in this. Okay, it's actually in this. But in this resistance over here, that looks very good. The support, okay, the support, not resistance. I'm sorry. So there's one coming in with a selling signal. Okay, one selling signal is coming in. All right. Okay. Right. Oh, thank you, Ali. Thank you very much. Okay, thank you so much. This is really very, very nice of you. Thank you. All right, so this coming in over here with euro yen. Okay, euro yen. The situation, we must understand the situation now. Okay, so right now euro yen, we are continue the selling. I will see that the selling is very promising now. Okay, why is that so? Is because there's another level of profits over profitable area is here. But I'm still waiting. Because I'm still waiting for the breaking of the support here. After breaking of the support over at this point, yes, then we will be looking out for a very good space below. But tentatively, there's one support over here about 50 pips, 50 pips. Okay, 50 pips. So this is great. Okay, so now euro yen is very promising today. Okay, so hang on with this euro yen. Okay, euro yen over here. Yeah, where did you get the euro yen? Oh, the euro yen actually I analyzed it in the MT4 times 0800. Okay, about 1.5 hours ago. Okay, no, 2 hours ago. All right, so I have already analyzed out, so I'm focusing on euro yen. Okay, so tentatively, okay, I'm waiting for a good chance to sell. Okay, because we are very near to the support at the moment. So currently I'm going to wait. Okay, as I will suggest. Okay, in forex trading, waiting time very long, but the patient needs to pay. But definitely the patient will reward you. Okay, all right. Okay, so yeah. Okay, and now let's see. Okay, I will say that tentatively euro yen coming soon, but just need a little bit of patience. Okay, how about Aussie dollar? All right, Aussie dollar. Okay, Aussie dollar tentatively also looking good. Okay, looking good. Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar has a selling cycle now. Okay, we have a selling cycle over here. So right now, by looking at this, okay, will that be a good chance for us to sell over at this point now? For Aussie dollar has a swing down already, and now the trending has stopped somewhere and now retraced backward to retest this area. So let's wait for it to break this level first, because after breaking this level, it will be a good chance for us to sell. Okay, so this level, after breaking this level, can you see the support level over here? Yes, after breaking the support over here, we will have a very good space until here about 40 pips, 40. Okay, 40 pips. Right. Okay, so I think this is great. Okay, so I think this is something that we should be looking out for. All right. Okay, so Aussie dollar is something good. Okay, so come back to take a look at euro, yen. Okay, going to just hang on. Okay, and euro dollar is still pushing, still pushing so much. Okay. Oh, thank you, Alan, for sharing. Thank you so much. Okay. And pound yen. Let's take a look. Pound yen. All right. Pound yen looks like the selling is also good. Now pound yen. Okay. So hang on. Pound yen. We have this level. Okay. This level over here, which when we look at the overview, there's one level of support over here. Am I right? So this level of support, this area. Okay. We have about 45 pips where this area is going to be quite strong of a support. Okay, pound yen. Okay, we have quite a strong support over here. But right now, before we reach the strong support, right now, currently, we are actually we have a space of about 45 pips. Okay, about 45 pips. So by looking at this, okay, this 45 pips of space, is it good to sell? Probably yes, but just need to find the correct timing to sell. Okay, just to find the correct timing to sell. Tentatively, not yet. Okay, we still need a little bit of time. Okay, we still need a little bit of time to sell. All right, so hang on. Okay, pound dollar. Let's take a look at pound dollar. So pound dollar is now, where are we at? Now pound dollar, we are now testing on the previous resistance level over at this side here, as we can see. Correct. This is the yesterday we were here. And after that, we saw this resistance level. Now we are entering into this area, so we are testing on this area. So whether it can actually breaks below. Okay, when it breaks below, right? So let's look at M5 lower down to this time frame. If it breaks below, okay, then highly likely there will be a good chance for us to continue the selling. Okay, so it's going back to the bear trend, right? It's going back to the bear trend. All right, so so we will be looking at this. Okay, we'll be looking at this so that this will be a good chance for us to actually go for selling. Okay, right. Okay, so yep, yes. Okay, right. Thank you, Bradley. Thank you, Cowboy. Thank you so much. All right, thank you very much. Okay, for sharing out my videos. Okay, yes, patience pays off. Exactly, perfect, good. Yeah, so we just need to wait for a little while. Okay, so I guess today I think it's going to take back what the movement. Okay, it's going to take back all the movement, swing down again. Okay, it's going to swing back the prevailing trend. Just a reminder. Okay, this coming Sunday, all right, 2 days later, we are in Japan. We're going to have a voting election. So when Monday comes early in the morning, likely you will see one very big gap in the market when the market is open. Please don't be alarmed. Okay, very likely this such situation always happens. Okay, so it always happens on the Monday. But again, alright. This is something that we see that this situation when the election comes in on the weekend, like Sunday. Okay, it is really great. Okay. So there will be a great impact. Okay, there will be a great impact. All right. So yeah, I think just take note. Okay, so that we know what is coming, so that we will not be so alarmed by it, and it's going to affect your emotion for the whole day. All right. Okay. So yes. So just bear that in mind. All right. Okay. Yes. Oh, my screen went black. Yeah. I don't know. Sometimes the connection is a bit. Okay, so I'm so sorry about that. Okay. All right. So yes. Okay. So over here we will be looking at now how dollar and how yen looks like wow, looks like the pound is actually getting weaker. Okay. Well, no matter what, okay, although we have this push, don't rush, please don't rush into it. Okay, don't rush into it. Okay. So just hopefully that the pullback, okay, now we are into the resistance area. Okay, that's good. So hoping that to see at the next 15 minutes, that fastest. Okay, 15 minutes that there's a pullback and there will be another round of selling. Okay, another round of selling, and then I will start to enter for a trade. Okay. Yes. All right. Okay. I'm just very curious why did you always sell? Okay. I always sell this. I always sell because I prefer to sell in the way that I always think in the market, you know, when people are, you know, when there's a little news, okay, then the people will start to tremble. The whole market will start selling off, you know. But when you tell people there's good news, there's no people going to tell you that, okay, I wait. You get what I mean? Okay. Yeah. All right. Yes. Yeah. Elena's. Yeah. So this is something that yeah. Okay. That's me when I look at the sentiment, the market sentiment there. Okay. All right. Pound dollar buy now. High forex new way. All right. Pound dollar buy now. Okay. Okay. So yes. So right now, okay. By looking at this point here, okay. Forex new way of saying that buy now. Yep. Okay, because yep, let's see. Movement, okay, euro dollar, yes, euro dollar, and euro dollar over here. Right now, okay, we are also moving in that this is great. Okay, so it's also something good over here that we can pay attention to. Yeah, it's testing on the support as we can see, correct? Yeah, it's now testing on the support. Okay, so testing through the support over at this point here. Let us check through slowly. Okay. Right. Okay. So just hang on with me. Let me check. Okay. All right. Euro dollar at this point, yes, is coming in here. Sorry. Okay, so euro dollar, okay, euro dollar still not bad. Okay, still good. Okay, we have we still have roughly about 74. Okay, 74 pips to go. To along the way. Yes. Let me see one. Yup. Okay, so tentatively euro dollar. Okay, euro dollar. Yup, good. But right now I'm still waiting for a good time, because if you see, when I understand that when there are many people who actually comes in come into a trade when you start to see such a great selling candle, am I right? Then after that, when this candle start to sell off, all right, then people start to enter. By the time you enter, okay, the price may be right at the bottom, rock bottom already. Okay, you may be lucky once in a while that once the blue moon that okay continue to sell. Okay, you may grab a 50 bip or TP or maybe 100 bips. Okay, that is, to me, it's like, oh, you're right, you have struck the lottery. That's all, you know. Okay, so yeah, so just be careful. But a lot of time, for me personally, okay, when I chase a trade in the past, all right, like this, okay, when I chase, Then immediately, not long after that, it started to retrace upwards. I was like, ah, my God. You know, okay. So usually I try not to chase a trade. Okay, I just wait for a pullback. Okay, if the trend is still continue the selling, all right, then of course, definitely we will continue. From there, then I will look out for selling. Okay, so example, say like this. Okay, for pound dollar, okay, this kind of selling, I won't be chasing in. I will be hang on. I will wait for it. Okay, like this, we can see there's a retesting, went up to retest on the resistance and it got rejected. Am I right? It got rejected. So at this point, right, I will still be waiting for a good chance. It's a sign of the resistance is still doing good. Okay, there will be a sign of selling, but may not be a lot because we are pretty near to the support. So we just need to clear off all the support, okay, over here before it starts to swing down. All right. Okay. Hi, Kartik. Nice to see you here. May I know where are you from so that I can say a hi to you? Okay. Nice to see you. Right. Thank you for coming in. So over at this point here, all right. So tentatively, we are still looking out for some opportunity. Okay, opportunity like over here to sell. Okay, so tentatively still, okay, we are still struggling in this area here. There may be a chance. Okay, right. Kartik, you're from India. Namaste. All right. I hope I pronounced it correctly. Okay. 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 So looks like there is a continuity of but this round at this point here, it seems a little bit struggling. It seems a little bit of struggle. So be careful. Okay. So at this point, I won't rush. Okay, perhaps it may continue to slide off. Okay, so just take note. Okay, just take note of the support level that we are coming near. Okay, we are coming near into this area. So please be careful. All right. Alternatively, you may for people who are using MA, you can even plot out the MA. Probably you will see. MA is actually so we are also somewhere there. Okay, so just take note, right? Okay. Okay, right. Hi, Vasali. Namaste. Oh yeah. Okay. I hope I'm doing good with my language so that we feel closer to each other. All right, not just because of COVID, I'm being tied down with only this camera here. All right, so hoping that using the language we can pull each other closer together. All right, okay. So I think that's also a basic courtesy. Okay, yep. Okay, so once again, right, pound dollar seems like it's support is not holding. Okay, so after the rejections over here, pound dollar. Okay, if some of you, I guess, if you have an entry, okay, if an entry signal for your side on your side there, okay, you may take note of the support level over at this point. We are looking at about another 16 pips to go. Okay, another 16 to 18. So if for me, if I'm going to grab for another, say, 10 or 12, I think that is pretty safe. Okay, 10 or 12 is pretty safe. Okay, right. But just take note, be careful. Okay, right, because of this area is quite a lot of turbulence. So once again is that resistance has been just briefly being tested. That's all. Okay, over here, but the rejection looks good. Okay, all right, just in case for those who have already entered the trade, just in case. Okay, just be careful. All right, for me, I have not entered any trade yet. Okay, I have not entered any trades today. Yep. Okay, so at this point here, okay, okay, I'm looking at this pound dollar. Okay, right, so hoping that another good signal for us. Okay, right. Okay, so yes, Bradley, I'm waiting for another round. Okay, yeah, all right. So euro dollar, yes, euro dollar. Okay, and euro dollar, it doesn't seem as giving us any chance. Okay, if we have missed one round, yes, we have missed one round. Okay, yes, we have missed that round of the entry over at this point here, around this area. So okay, so let's see. Let me show you. Okay, so that will be much clearer. Okay, so it should be around here. Yeah. Okay. So by looking at this round, okay, we can see this is what I always say. Okay, when there's another wave, okay, another wave, pullback, okay, another wave of selling cycle where you can see a red, a green, and coming a red candle, selling off, okay, engulfing candle coming in, alright, over at this point like this, a green and a red candle, we are engulfing candle over here. Yes, okay, the selling signal is coming in very strongly, very nice. Correct? Yes. Okay. Right. Okay, so at this over at this area, so euro dollar is still looking out for another round. Okay, so another lower support, I guess. Okay, so still pretty good to go, and we are so near now coming. Okay, at this level, we still have about 30 over pips to go. All right, so probably that is one level. Okay, that we can look out for. However, but then this is it's not the right time to enter. Definitely, okay, it's not the right time to enter. Okay, sometimes when I switch on my PC, just like you right now, all of us here, we just came in, right at the time of UK hour opening. Sometimes the price actually starts swinging down in this euro hour. Then we got no choice. Am I right? Okay, we have no choice about that. Then we have to give it a miss. Never develop a habit that we are going to. Okay, I'm so worried that I'm going to miss this trade. Okay, I'm just going to enter for a trade and then just pump in a trade and then that's it. Who knows if things go against us, and I think that's going to be very awful. Am I right? Okay, so I have developed a habit that I'm going to have a structure. Okay, and this structure tells me not to enter for a trade. Okay, and I will never enter for a trade. Okay, and once the structure told me that, okay, wait for the retracement for another round, like Bradley just said, okay, then yes, I will just wait for another round. Okay, so for example, let's say I'm going to wait for another round to go back, retest, or then start selling, then okay, I will start the selling. Like now over here, of course, over here we can see that selling is still coming in, right? We can see, okay, but look out for this level. Okay, at this level we can see that pretty is this is somewhere the mid level of yesterday markets. Okay, so I think the support may come in at this level also. So just take note at this level. Okay, so this is according to my personal analysis. I may not be right. Okay, so just share. I'm just sharing. So if you have any views, feel free to share. Okay, just feel free to share. Okay, so this is something. Okay, yeah. No worries, guys. Okay, we are all friends. Okay, anyone who comes in here as my subscribers are all friends. Correct? We are here to build a very fantastic, friendly, smiley community. Correct? Rather than to challenge each other. We are not here to challenge each other. Like we have very big hard trader like Forex New Way. We have Friends United. We have Caro. We have we are here all sharing. We have Western also sharing a lot of views. See, so nice. And Wasim, okay, also very good. Always giving me a lot of suggestions. Still making my weekly videos, right? Okay, so yep, right. So once again, okay. So now as we can see, pound dollar we are actually reaching on this level. So this level may be a level of support that we got to be extremely careful. All right, okay, extremely careful. Okay, so so just take note. Okay, just take note because this level, okay, this level is something that maybe we are going to be very very careful. Okay, the push maybe still be there. Okay, that actually can we can see this level. Okay, there's another support. If people are reading the support and resistance, okay, as you can see the support over here. All right. Yes, Ali, trading community, and you are going to be our leader. Going to be your leader. All right. I won't say I won't use the word leader. All right. Probably I will use the word host. That's all. Okay. The maximum level I will go is I think host. Okay. Right. Okay. So yeah, of course, if there's a chance that we are able to meet up with each other in real life, in real time, okay, I think that will be so nice. Am I right? Okay. Previously we were saying that there will be one day I think we are all flying to Japan for Forex New Way, huh? Okay, Forex New Way is a great contributor. Maybe one day we fly to Japan and really have a great meal with you. Okay. Right. Actually, I've been planning to go Japan since last year, but I'm waiting for Japan to open. Okay, because right now I know that if we were to go Japan, we have to follow some schedule, in Japan. Okay. Yeah. So yes. Okay. So yep. That's okay. So hopefully one day. Okay. Yep. Okay, so once again over here, okay, still pushing very strongly for this pound dollar. Okay, so the bear is leading the euro dollar right now. Is actually going. The euro dollar has already drifted for I think, yes, wow. Right now about 60 pips away. Very bad miss. Okay. Well, I think whether is it a very bad miss or not, I guess I think we shall not put this. Okay, don't hold the emotion that I missed. I missed. Okay, no, don't do that. Okay, just be a man. Missed. It's okay. All right. So don't bother. Okay. Don't let it affect. So-called our structure. If you have a structure, your emotions. Okay. Don't allow it to affect it. Yeah, there are times, Sabrina. Yes, there are times that when I actually started, I'm going to start trading. You guess what? And I see, oh my god, everything went down so much, and I tried to get the trade. I was like, okay, come on, I want to enter a trade. Then I can't wait. When I was trading alone, okay, especially when you are trading alone, I was like, when you are trading alone, it's very good when you can be very focused. Okay, you can be very focused. Okay, to actually to analyze out what is the trade that you're going to take. All this is good. It's great. Yeah. However, but if you're not disciplined enough, okay, or you don't have a structure, you don't have a way of trading, very likely you will be like, I've been waiting for so long, I can't wait anymore. So this is the time that I'm going to okay, I think just pump me a trade. Let's wait. So when you pump your trade, usually in such a situation, okay, you will experience 9 times, okay, you will get hit, and there will be 1 time out of the 10, you will get, oh yes, I got a TP. And what is the worst thing is that you got a TP. When you got the profits, you think that okay, that is the way to trade, but that is just being lucky. Right? Do you all agree? Okay. Yeah, that's my personal thoughts. All right. So yeah. Okay. So just be very tactful and also look out for timing as well. Okay. What hours? What timing are you trading? All right. Today I'm sharing a little bit more on the theories because as you can see, we have missed so much. Okay, over here. All right, so I guess I won't because I do not want to chase a trade, you know. So coming in like a YouTube channel like this is including like a a podcast, you know, or maybe a YouTube channel for us to get together so that we won't be so boring trading alone and getting our discipline out of hand, and and then we chase a trade and we always get a losing trade. Okay, like Sabrina was telling me, okay, yesterday, all right, over a drink, yeah, over a, yeah, with Carol. Am I right? Okay, you're all in Melbourne. Am I right? So was saying that it's great to join in a community rather than the signal provider. Okay, the community actually, and thanks when you are trading, you're boring, you're alone, you tend to chase a trade, you tend to use a different strategy, but every strategy makes money. I don't say that my strategy makes money, okay, but every strategy makes money. Trust me for that, okay. It doesn't matter how you structure out the strategy. So by following a community like this, Sabrina was sharing that she actually make losses like almost every month. Okay, every month she has a habit of a deposit. Am I right, Sabrina? So Sabrina was saying that okay, finally she joined in and being very quiet for about 4 to 6 months. Am I right? Okay. So in these 4 to 6 months, she was surprised that she hasn't made any profit, but she also stopped making deposit. That's already a very good start, whereby she's able to maintain, her capital and still trading. There are still some profitable trades, some losses, but she did not make any deposit for the past 6 months. Am I right? Is it? Yes, it's 6 months, right? Okay, yeah. Or coming 6 months. Okay, coming 6 months. Okay, good. Congratulations. That is good. Yes, Ali. Yeah. All right. So yes, we are not signal provider, but just a community. Okay. Of course, if there's a chance to enter a trade, we should enter together. Okay. I will announce it. Okay. So I will announce that I'm going to enter a trade. Okay. So that all of us are probably okay. If you see that according to your own trading pattern, if you see that okay, there's a chance to enter a trade. Okay, that's fine. Okay, I'm going to enter a trade. Okay, and we'll probably actually in fact almost every strategy. Okay, whether you are reading a support resistance, you're using MA, whatever. Okay, you will realize that you'll realize that the area is almost there, almost the same. Okay, so more or less the same, right? It's how you read it. That's all. Okay, we have a perspective of buying and selling, so that's why it makes the whole thing very confusing. All right. So can you imagine if forex trading you only have one direction, like say buying, okay, then definitely that's so much easier. But chart don't go this way or this way. Am I right? It go this way up, this way down. Am I right? So it makes a bit confusing for a lot of basic beginner traders. Okay. So yeah. So that's why for me, I only have one direction for me. Okay. I will choose to sell. That's all. When I choose to sell, that's all. Right. Okay. Right, you money for me the night before last night. Oh, really? Congratulations. Okay. that is your credit. Okay. Right. Okay. I'm just here to share. Okay, my view. That's all. And we have many people here. Okay. I think many people here sharing their view. Okay. So what you gained the night before last night? Many people contribute. Okay, many people contributed. I'm happy. I'm very happy to see that people in my channel make money together. Okay, from the advice or from the views here that we are chatting, we are sharing. I think, yeah, that is really good. Okay. For pound dollar, yes, Hubert. As for pound dollar, I'm looking at the price lower down. What is your view? Over here, all right, if pound dollar able to get away from the area over at this part here, okay, I will also see that it should go lower. Okay, but of course, I'm expecting to see one retracement first. Okay, likely to have a retracement. Then after that, it will continue selling. Yeah. Okay. Right. Okay. So that's why that's why I'm waiting. That's why I am waiting. Okay, I'm still waiting. All right. Yes. Still waiting for it to happen. Okay. Yeah. Still, pretty still struggling around this area. I would say it is still struggling around this area. It has it's going to complete the round. Okay, euro dollar and sorry, euro yen, euro yen. Okay, so let me take a look. Okay, euro yen over here. There's support over at this point here. Okay, we are testing on the support. Am I right? Okay, we are testing on the support. So currently, I won't say that it's breaking. Okay, in Mandarin we have this phrase 路过没突破. Okay, so this is that means it's just bypass. It's just bypass, but it has not break. Okay, so tentatively it's still coming back to retest. Okay, it's coming back to retest this area of support. So look at the timing now. Look at the timing now. We are about 5 minutes or 6 minutes away from H1 opening. Am I right? Okay. So in that case, okay, just wait for H1 close first. Then we will determine, okay, what is the situation after that. I think that will be so much better. That will be so much better. And similarly to pound dollar, okay, pound dollar, same. Okay, if for me, if I'm going to look at it, right? So we are now crossing the resistance level, but we are very near to one of the supports. Am I right? Okay, let me put this example. There's one support here. Am I right? Okay, as you can see, there's a lot of touches here, correct? So it went to test on the support here. It went to test on the support over here. All right. So at this point, as you can see, in M5 as a lower time frame, went down, just bypass. Okay, testing, and it started to retrace upwards. Okay, if candle is going to close above this level, and it's still staying above the support level, right? So probably there may be a buying signal coming in for a buy signal for a pullback over here, right? So yeah, this is something that just need to pay attention to. So whether it will start to sell back or not, all right? So just I will see that wait for it to test on the resistance first. Okay, the resistance level over here. Okay, but indeed, it has already started to disturb the selling. It has already started to disturb the buyers. Sorry, not the selling, the buyers. So currently, the over at this point, the sellers are in control. That as we can see, but when this selling starts here, support comes in along the way. As we can see, there are so many over here, the most touches here, that this form as a support here. So at this point, the testing, if it's going to continue the selling, it may take a little while after hitting the support. And after that, if we are lower down to the we will go lower time frame to take a look at which is current, what's the situation. Am I right? Can see more candles, more movement in 1 hour candle. How is it reacting? Okay, so from there, then we will be able to see. If example, let's say in the next 5 minutes, if there's a spring down again, would I want to enter for a trade like this? Okay, would I want to enter a trade like this? Most of the time, I will not. Okay, reason behind is that I am very near to the support over here. You get what I mean? So very highly likely it's going to test on the support. Maybe it will form a higher support, a higher lows at this area, and continue to go up. So I won't sell at this level. Okay. I know there will be questions asked. What if the selling signal comes in and it continue to sell down? All right, then I take it as a miss. All right. Okay. So when you are trading, okay, all right, there's this saying. Okay, there's this saying. 要懂得取舍 in Mandarin. Okay, but in English you must know when to give and when to take. All right. Don't always be a clown to give. Okay, and don't always be a greed to take. You get what I mean? Don't be a clown to give. Okay, then this is one of the master who told me. I find it is very reasonable. Okay, don't be a clown to give. What do I mean by this phrase is that don't be a clown, always give money to the market. Okay, be smart enough. Okay, when you are going to give, you make sure even you give in a very worthwhile in a worthwhile way, that at least you learn the lesson, right? So when you take, make sure you also take at the correct point. Don't always just take. So that applies in life as well, am I right? So that is also very important for me. So that's why if you ask me if I'm going to take a trade here for selling, right? Especially when I can see that this level, there's a support level over here, I will not. I won't go for it. It's really very tough. Okay, it's quite tough for me. All right, I would prefer to wait for it to break it. Okay, to break down over here. Okay, after it breaks down over at this support, then there is a swing back to retest, and it's not going up again, not breaking up again, and it turned out and the selling signal. There's a new resistance below the area here. Yes, and that will be my entry. I will sell that. Okay, I will sell that. Okay, I will not just take a trade like now. Okay, oh yeah, seems like it's coming down. Okay, I'm going to enter a trade. No. Okay, it's dangerous, right? So that's why my structure may be a little bit too conservative to you. Okay, you can, but I will still analyze out. Okay, you can take the trade at your own pace. Okay, right. So anyway, we don't guarantee anyone any profits, am I right? You wouldn't want to guarantee anybody profits at the same time, am I right? So that like Forex New Way was saying, he's a great master and trading for using his way. I think very good. I can see that his structure is very, very disciplined. Okay, he really trade within his structure, and like he says, he wouldn't want to give a signal. He wouldn't want to look at the signal provider. When it's very stressful. I know Forex trader, for us, we do not want to, especially full-time trader, we wouldn't want to have additional stress. We are working towards reducing the stress, not increasing the stress. Am I right? Okay, so like pound dollar right now. Okay, right. So what's the value of the support line, which is the blue color? Okay, over here. All right, I'm looking at this. I'm looking at this area. All right, over here. Let me change the color. Okay. Let me change the color so that it will be so much easier for us to see. Okay, and okay, right. So 119,367. Okay, 1.19367 over at this area. All right. If we are using different brokers, okay, the price may differs a little bit. Okay, all right, because of different liquidity provider. Okay, so just take note. Okay, take my price as a reference. Okay, just look around at your own chart as also. Okay, all right. Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay, so right now, if we're looking at this, okay, if we're looking at this point here, right, in terms of like M5, we can see there's a pullback over here. So you see, this is a support level. So it has come in. You see the red candle, it touches, it got rejected up, correct? It touches, it got rejected up, right? So when I see such a movement like this, okay, when I see a movement like this, okay, I will be very careful. Okay, it shows the support is actually quite strong. Okay, the support is quite strong, so I wouldn't want to take risks. Okay, that's what I meant. Okay, that's what I meant where like, and there's a red candle started to swing down. Okay, I wouldn't want to enter a trade. Okay, because we are just right at the support. It's not worth taking a risk like this. Okay, anyone who gives you a granted profit is scammer. Yeah, guaranteed profit is a scammer. Okay, yeah, most of them are right in the market. Okay, so just be sure, okay, that you understand, okay, the experience for as a forex trader, okay, don't come from the amount of time and money, okay, but the amount of effort that you put in learning. Okay, so yes, so just make use of so be sure that you actually learn, right? But when you learn, when you start trading, please minimize your lot size to the minimum. Okay, then I go for 100 trades to confirm one strategy. I determine myself. Okay, I persevere on by using one strategy first. Okay, to see that way, if that way really works for me. Okay, yes, all right. So after you have confirmed, then when you start trading, okay, then slowly from there you increase your lot size. Then you will find yourself very stable. You'll find yourself, you got a structure, and from there you will have a better trading skill. All right, okay, so that is so much better. Okay, yeah, a little bit of sharing, that's all. Okay, so yes, if yep, okay, so over here, pound dollar, once again, there are people asking me, is this a good time to sell since it's pulling away from the support? I would say currently, if you look at this, yes, okay, but then again, all right, it's not the right time because we are very near to the support. I'm waiting for a chance to sell, but it's very near to the support. But no, okay. Tentatively, I won't say that this is a good one. Okay, don't enter now. Don't enter now. It's not a good time to enter for selling. Yeah. Yes. Okay. It's not a good time to enter for selling. Right. How did you overcome all these trading mistakes, trading journey? How did I overcome? I have plenty of I have plenty of ways. Okay, I have plenty of ways. Nonsensical way. You may find it crazy. Okay, but ultimately I just find that it's working for me. And like lately, okay, let me get this. I have this playlist where I have on the weekly. I will post this video on a weekly basis, right? So to share with all of you my past experience. Okay, what did I do? How do I feel? Right? This is my playlist. Okay, so I hope it helps many beginners out there. Okay, right? So this is something that like you see, if there's a red candle coming down, oh yeah, I'm going to enter a trade because of FOMO, then you got hit now, right? Okay, so no, that's why I do not want. Okay, right? So yeah, then I think this is a good way to actually discipline myself, because this is a structure that I created that is really good for discipline, trading discipline. Okay, yeah, I find that that way. Okay, yep, right. Yeah, so yes, okay. You love this playlist, huh? Okay. So right now, if you're looking at this, okay, we have if there's a selling opportunity, okay, always take a look. I will always take a look like this. Okay, seems like oh, I have 8 pips of space. 8 pips. Yeah. 8 pips of space, and then I think do you think it's enough? I don't find it is enough. You know, I don't find it is enough for me. So I will find that it's very tight. The space is very tight. Okay, so tight. So normally I don't go for it. And since this is going to break, then this is the one that I'm waiting. Break it, retest. Okay, we have a similar candle pattern like this below the support. Then I will enter. Then I will enter for a trade. If not, usually I won't enter a trade like this. Okay, euro dollar. Okay, euro dollar. Okay, let's take a look. Euro dollar. Euro dollar, by looking at this point here, okay, so if we have something like this, we are going for about 25 pips of space here. Okay, and yeah, this is what I meant. Okay, if this is a support, okay, if this is a support, then if I'm going to enter if I'm going to enter at this level, let's say, then I will take a look at the space. All right, about 25, 28, I think that's pretty cool. So always work on the 25% rule, which I have this on my own to give some buffer. From the support, I give a 25% from where I entered. Let's say 20 pips. 25% will be about 5 pips. Okay, so I will grab 15. So I will grab about 15 pips. Okay, just an example, huh? Just an example. All right. Okay. So correct. Exactly. Yep. Yes. Okay, guys. Yeah. Would you mind to give me a 5 minutes break? Okay, while I quickly run to the gens. As you know, my gens is very far away. Okay. All right. My office is here, and the gens is here. So along the way, yeah, I have a journey. Okay, so I will be back in a moment. All right, so thank you so much, guys. Meanwhile, just enjoy the music behind, and I will be right back. Okay, so let me key in here so that everybody know I'm giving a break. Okay, give me break time about 5 minutes. I quickly go there and I come back here. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you, Ali. Right, see you guys in a short while. Hello guys. Alright, when I come back, I think I better better lower down my volume. Just in case. just in case. Just in case somebody was saying, every time you come back, you give me a shock. Alright, okay, I just a little bit gentle. Alright, so yeah, now, okay, coming back here. Well, oh boy, Bradley. But EU earlier on. Okay, that's cool. Alright, that's good. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Ali. So right now, coming back here, let's take a look at pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar here. Alright, pound dollar. Seems like it's actually coming back for selling over here, right? So 10 pips is also quite tight, huh? Okay, very near to the support. Don't enter a trade near the support. Never do that. Alright, it's very dangerous. Okay, so at this point, alright, it's still testing on the support as you can see. Alright, from the H1, as you can see now, you see it's still hovering around. The price go a bit slow, right? Okay, so probably later on may swing now. Yeah, maybe. Okay, so whatever. Okay, I'm still waiting for this swing now so that I have a chance later on. Okay, with another retracement here. Okay, a pullback. Then very likely. Okay, from there then I will take a trade. It depends on the situation as well. It still depends on the situation. Okay, we still have to assess the situation by then. Okay, all right. Okay, so yeah, yes, that's one. Okay, that we can we're going to wait for. Okay, so euro dollar, yes, coming again, euro dollar. So we have euro dollar. All right, 25 pips, right? I was saying that. Okay, euro dollar, we are 25 pips away. Okay, the euro dollar over here 25 pips away. So right now we are left with about 13 pips. Well, I think just be careful. Okay, so just take note. Okay, a scalp will be good. Yeah, then that's for me. Yeah, okay, yeah, pound dollar is swing down. Pound dollar is swing down. Wow, okay, good. That's good. Very good. Right. So yes. So probably now we have to wait. Okay, wait for a little while more. Yeah, this swing is looks like it's going to take away all this round here. Okay, so looking good after breaking the support here. I guess but the thing is that seems like the support is still strong. Okay, strong there, right? So just hang on, just wait for a little while. Yes, okay, yep, good. Yep, that's why I always prefer to wait. Yeah, I prefer to wait for a little while. Yeah, yes, this is a lot. Okay, yeah, this is a lot. Okay, but then again, is that would you know that it will come? It will not stop at the support. Am I right? Okay, so just hang on. I'm waiting for another level now. Okay, if it's coming back again. Okay, if it's coming back again within lower than this level. Okay, around this area. Okay, so I will see that the trending is coming in. Then I will take a shot. Okay, right. Okay, that's good. Okay, so euro yen. Okay, euro yen. Wow, euro yen testing on the support, but the next very near. Okay, seems to be very near. Okay, so by looking at this same thing over here, that this is very similar to pound dollar. Am I right? It's very similar to pound dollar. Okay, did anybody take any profits for euro for pound dollar or euro dollar? Okay, I'm not sure. Okay, I'm just asking. Okay, to celebrate your profits. Okay. Sometimes sometimes I find that it's a pain. Like wow, it dropped so much, but I just simply missed the chance. And whenever I want to enter a trade according to my structure, but it still don't give the structure still don't surface. And it's still dipping down. Sometimes is a killer, am I right? It really kills the emotions that trigger emotions that I want to chase a trade. Okay, forget it. No, not now anymore. I'm not going to chase a trade like this. Okay, okay. So when there isn't any structure of my own, okay, then I won't enter a trade. Okay, so make sure you create a structure of your own so that you will be able to trade better. Okay, so yeah, it's coming to test on this level. Okay, so this is this one level here, so that the next level will be going down for another 30 pips. Okay, so it's similarly, okay, it's just like I think was it on Tuesday or Wednesday? I think Tuesday or Wednesday, am I right? Okay, so that I say that the retracement, I think that was pound yen, I guess so. I guess it was pound yen. Yeah, so it went down, then it went back again. I think it's Thursday or Wednesday, Tuesday or Wednesday. So I'm waiting for it to see. Okay, shall I sell euro dollar for 10 pips? Okay, so let's take a look. Euro dollar for 10 pips. Euro dollar for 10 pips. I see that first of all here. Secondly, now if I'm going to enter now, a bit risky. Okay, it's a bit risky. Although that I see that we still have quite a good space to go. All right, I prefer to wait for another round. Okay, let's wait for another round. Okay, I prefer to wait for another round first. Okay, and I prefer to wait for another round. Then I will strike. Okay, just in case there's already some turbulence here, then it may go back and retest the resistance here. Correct, then you will be taking a roller coaster. Am I right? You're taking a roller coaster of 20 pips, then it will start to swing down, then no point. Okay, just wait, Vashali, just wait. Okay, right. So yeah, same thing for pound dollar. Same thing for pound dollar. Let me take a look. Pound dollar. Yes. Same thing for pound dollar. So pound dollar, I will be waiting. Okay, now it seems like it's back a retracement. So right now, we are about 30 minutes away from the H4 opening. So once again, H4 opening. We take note. Okay, please take note of the H4 opening. So just make sure how's the H4 close. All right, if it's still very strong, and then we will wait for H4 to open and see how it goes before we take action. Okay. Wow, time flies. Yes, time really flies, huh? Okay. So yeah, we are still surviving. Yeah, that's good. Okay, very good. I took a buy trade. I took a buy trade on the pound dollar earlier on, hoping for a pullback. Who knows, now it's dipping down. Oh, okay. But then now there's a pullback. Okay, so can observe first. I'm not sure where did you enter. If you actually enter here, so you are just 6 pips. You are on a 6 pip losses. I think still quite fine. 6 pip is not a lot. Okay, so by looking at the whole general trend, I think you may have a chance. Okay, if it still continue with like I say, a trending downward selling, then when you are able to tell that it's selling downwards, then I think probably you can exit the trade. Okay, right. By exiting a trade doesn't mean you are a loser. Okay, in fact, you are a winner because you know when to exit a trade to minimize the losses. Okay, that's always my thoughts. Okay, yeah. Okay, so yeah. I guess sometimes you have to look at the bigger picture. Okay, you have to look out for a bigger picture, right? Okay. Yes, Sachin Kumar. Hi, Sachin Kumar. Where are you from? Nice of you coming in here. I lose 5 trades continuously. This never happened in my strategy in the past. I totally frustrated. I lose 5 trades continuously. This never happened with my strategy in the past. Totally frustrated. Okay. Put it this way. Okay. In the past, may I know how many trades you have traded? Like say last 3 months. Let's put it this way, last 3 months. Okay. If the last 3 months you are making say 20, 50 trades and you are profitable, you're having a profitable trade for the past 3 months with 30 or 50 trades, okay? And now you are losing 5 trades continuously. I would say that this is not a very big deal, okay? Because no one is perfect. But in fact, if you look at the other picture, okay, instead of looking at these 5 trades, okay, look at the other side. You are actually having a 95% winning rate. Why not? Am I right? Okay, so that is still very good. And since human being, for us, we are not perfect. Okay, but look at the other side. Okay, so if I lose 5 trades continuously, well, maybe at that point of time, the situation has a lot of say fake move, okay, or like yesterday Boris Johnson, okay, situation like this, unexpected, unforeseen circumstances that arises, okay. So situation like this, it doesn't constitute it doesn't mean that you are lousy, okay. It doesn't constitute that you are no good. So don't feel frustrated, okay. Look at the other side. Perhaps you have 95, you have 100 trades and you are losing 5 continuously, but you have 95 positive. So it's still a positive outcome ultimately. Okay, so it is still good. It is still good, right? Okay, today a bit slow. Okay, in terms of I don't mean the price is low, but in terms of having a structure to trade, you know, to enter, I don't see anything. All right, so yeah, and we can share a little bit. Okay, we can chat a little bit. Of course, if you see anything, you can ask the question. Okay, so that we can also take a look at the trades and the chart. Okay, I take 4 trades previous month, all get lost, and 1 today. Right? Okay. So let me ask you a question. Okay, let me ask you a question, if you don't mind. All right? Because that question I always ask myself. In the past, I always ask myself. You have 4 trades. I take 4 trades previous month, all get losses, okay, and today you get losses. So did you go back and check back why you get losses? Did you do that? Did you go back and check? Okay, last 4 trades I take previous month. Did you go back and check why did you get the losses? That is the first question. Just like today, you have 1, correct? Okay, did you go back and check why did you get the losses? Right? Okay. Let's see. Let's wait for your answer. Okay. So while waiting, let's take a look at Euro Yen. Okay, Euro Yen. Tentatively, by looking at Euro Yen, okay, we are now still in the bear trend. Okay, going for, we are still testing on the support here. All right. So the retracement here seems like it's testing back on the support. Whether it will still go back onto the support area. Okay. If it's not, it's going to swing down once again. Okay, that probably we may have a chance. Okay, we may have a chance here, right? We have a chance. We may have a chance over here. Okay, but by looking at this now, okay. We have a support here. Point. we'll see another 20 pips, another 20, another 20, right? Another 20. Let me plot this out first. Let's see, right? Okay. So let's wait for this. Okay. Yes. Okay. That's for Euro Yen. That's for Euro Yen. Okay. From here we are around 20 to 30. About there. Okay. Okay. Let's come back here. Okay. I take trade totally perfect with my strategy, but doesn't perform. I'm down 10%. Okay. I take trade perfect with my strategy. Right, but one thing, don't be frustrated, don't be sad over your losses, even you're down 10%. Okay, but in general, I believe you are still profitable. Am I right? Okay, I believe you are still profitable. So in this case, right, if you're sometimes even strategy, there's no perfect 100% strategy. Okay, so probably this period of time is just that you're meeting up with your 5%. So, but it's still proven. If you after this 5%, if you still go back, still stick on with the same strategy, and then it started to make profit again, that means to say, this period of time you are just experienced the 5% of the strategy. Okay, just coincidentally that you actually into this 5%, which is not workable for the strategy. But 95% is still work, correct? 95% is still work. So yeah, just hang on with that. All right. Okay. I have a guy I have a lady in Germany, right? She persevere on to stick on with one strategy trading. Okay, one type of strategy to trade, and she learned about she make it about about a year plus. And up and down. Initially, she was making like she deposit of 5K and she was making a 20K. She was very happy. But after that, because of this complacency comes in, then she lost everything, burst the pot. So after that, she was like devastated. Then she started to to trade it again with about $600. Okay, $600 and. Until today, about 6 months, okay, with some calculation, okay, that I given her a plan. She actually from $600, she actually make it to $6,000 now. Okay, and as of today, I think I just checked that she has about 6,003. So I was asked, I was talking to her, all right, and she was telling me that okay, she persevered on like I told her, okay, with one strategy, and she really worked on that, and she also worked on how to grow her lot size periodically, okay, and that's how she made it. So she also mentioned that there's no 100%. Also mentioned that there's no 100%, but then again is that she can see that the strategy is on the 90%. So she's very happy. Even she on that 10% down, she was like, that's fine, because she's looking at the bright side of 90%, and so she's continue. Whenever she has a 10% down, she reduced her lot size back to the previous level. Okay, so she reduced the lot size back to the previous level. So yeah, then she restart again. Okay, my strategy have a 65 to 70% winning rate in past, but in this time it doesn't perform. But I stick with that. Perfect. All right, perfect. Okay, just stick with it. Okay, because sometimes it's because of the situation change. Okay, the market has some slight changes that your strategy may not work. Okay, so once that the market wave changes, okay, then it may be back to it may come back to your strategy, that it will work very well. You know what I mean? Right? Okay. Yeah. So sometimes it doesn't matter whether is it are we getting 100% winning every day, which I don't believe in that. Okay, Euro Yen. Okay, right, Euro. Pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar also. All right, so take a look at pound dollar as well. Euro Yen as well. Okay, good. Sally is getting on the getting a hand of it. Yeah. Okay, so Euro Yen. Okay, Euro Yen. Well, Euro Yen still looking good. Okay. And Euro Yen still looking good, but still not there yet. Okay, hang on for a little while. Okay, yes, okay, right. Pound dollar, yes, pound dollar, yeah, pound dollar. Okay, yeah, pound dollar. I think we still good, running good. Pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar is still looking good. Right now is it seems like now we're testing on this support where we have actually testing on this support exactly. Okay, right on the spot here. Right. So yeah, that's a good one. Okay, that will be a good one for pound dollar. All right. Okay. Yes. Okay, pound dollar is good. Wow. Okay. Yes, so tentatively by looking at this pound dollar to the minimum, we have about 10, 12, 10, 12, I think is still quite good, right? So this is somewhere 10, 12, and from here, next about 14, about 8, let's say 30. 30 will be 30 will be 40, 48, 12, 32, 40 as of 12 will be 38. Okay, so about we have about 38, 30 pips of space. Okay, 30 pips of space, right? Right, so yes. For Euro Yen, okay, Euro Yen, not yet. Euro Yen is still testing on it, not there yet, right? Achikuma, you're from India. Namaste, right? Where are you from? I'm now in Singapore. I'm in Singapore, right? Okay. Hang on, Euro Yen. Okay, Euro Yen, we are right now on this right now. Okay, we are testing on the support, but it's not swinging down. Okay, so just hang on, Pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar looks good. Okay, but bear in mind we have 20 minutes. We are left with 20 minutes. Okay, the H4 is going to. We are going to. Are we on any trade yet? No, not yet. Right, not yet. Okay, I guess still waiting for this all right, still waiting for this still waiting for H4. I'm still waiting for H4. Okay, so yep, okay. Usually, okay, when it comes to H4 opening, okay, I will be a little bit skeptical, okay, to enter a trade. I will be very careful, okay. I'll be very careful, right? So at this rate that we are looking at is still like they are still testing. Okay, they are still trying very hard to go back. Okay, I go Singapore when I got 100k FTMO account. Oh, okay, so you're in the FTMO program. FTMO is a very good. I would say that qualify. I think it's pretty good, okay, because they set rules that you cannot break. Am I right? Okay. When I got 100k FTMO account. So are you in on the 50? Are you on the 50,000 or 15? I'm not sure. Okay. I think if I didn't remember wrongly, 15, 50, or 100. So you're on the 80%, if I'm not wrong, or you're working on I guess you're working hard on the 90% profit sharing, right? Okay. 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 Aiden. Oh, you're also in FTMO. I didn't know. Oh, you've been following me for so long, and then today I just know that you're in FTMO. Okay. Yeah. All right. Okay. Well, okay. So right now, pound dollar, no, just hang on. It's above the support level. Euro yen, same. No, nothing. Okay. It seems like we are entering into a very struggling stage. But Sally, so I hope you didn't take a trade earlier on. Okay. So this is what I meant. It's a bit it's already quite left with about 10 pips. Although we have about from here, I see that we have about 12 maybe, or from here just now earlier on when you are saying 15, but it's a bit tight. Okay. Okay, so yep. And waiting. I'm still waiting for let's see. How about let us check through what do we have earlier on. No, I didn't take a trade. My patience have improved a lot. Wow, fantastic. Congratulations. This is happier than you take a TP, because your patience will definitely pays you better. Okay. Right, so fantastic, that's good. Okay, so let's check on the Aussie franc. Aussie franc tentatively still not reaching onto my resistance yet. Still a long way to go. Seems like okay. Tested once, but he's on the support and it's not making any progress here. All right. Yeah, so just hang on. Okay, Aussie franc. I trade 5k account of my parents' money. I got 18-year-old on 16 July. Oh, I see. Gosh, you are so young. Right. So 16 July. Okay. I take note. Okay, I sing your birthday song by then. Just in case you are going out for celebration, I sing you now. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Sachi. Happy birthday to you. All right, and I wish you a very great success in your Forex journey. Okay, but not forgetting to get the very good education. Okay, so that in future you may get to travel around the world. Okay, right. Wish you success from this year, okay, onwards. Okay, so I shall see you in Singapore. So sweet. Thank you, CK. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so Aussie dollar, let's take a look. No, nothing yet for Aussie dollar. One look, I think no, we are still on the support. Okay, we are still on the support, so tentatively, okay. And I see that over here, tentatively, nothing. Still not yet, still not there yet. Oh, you are welcome, Sachi. Okay. Great singing, huh? Thank you. Okay, I am. I guess I hope I don't have any tone deaf. Okay. All right. Euro Aussie. I think no, it's not in our league today. So Euro Yen. Okay, Euro Yen. I guess very likely it seems it's going to test on the resistance. So probably we need to. I think waiting. Okay, still waiting. Okay. All right. So all right. Then no, I guess no. Okay, so let's take a look at euro dollar. Okay, euro dollar. I think now like looking at this, why don't you take a buy trade? Okay, when I always try to take one because I wanted to have a very clear direction. I don't want to confuse myself. Like, is this a retracement or is this a reversal? You know, or this you know, there's a lot of why. Is this a lot of question marks? I want to have a very clear direction. If I'm taking one direction, okay, one comes back. This is a retracement. I know. Or this is a reversement. I know. Yeah. Okay, that's me. That's me. That's for me. Right. Okay. Why don't you? I shall wait for you in UK to sing. Wow. Okay. Okay. Probably in Germany first. Okay. So what about gold? Shall I sell? Okay. Amil. Right. Amil Nadine. Where are you from, Amil? Pound dollar. Let's take a look at pound dollar. Pound dollar is coming back again on the support area. I guess just hang on. All right, just hang on. Right, so let's take a look at gold. As for gold trading, right? As for gold trading, I was like, I'm from Singapore, right? So over here, for gold trading earlier on when I was actually expecting to see the breaking of this at about 1785. Okay, 1785, right? So after that, I'm actually looking for a selling from 1785 to 1725 to 1725. I'm looking at 1725. So yeah, it's around here, 1725. Okay. So right now, if you're, yes. 1785. I remember I was there about 1785. That I think I replied to creative video, okay, by the name of creative video. So I was saying that if this level is breaking, okay, if this level is broken, then I'm looking at 1725. So it has it already went down about 45.6 now. Okay, 45.6 now. So I guess we still have a little bit to go. Okay, a little bit to go from 13.36 to 17.25. So we have about 12 to go. Yeah, I have small account, $82. I want to grow my account, but how? Oh, you're from Pakistan. Okay, yes, okay. Right now in UAE. Ooh, okay, that's cool. $82. I hope you don't mind. Okay, no offense. Okay, no hard feelings. Okay, right. So, for me, I always think that if $100 okay account, $100 small account, is always an experience account. All right, it's a so-called to experience what is called live market. Okay, so what is called live trading, you know. But if with $100 to trade gold, I guess it is not enough. It is not enough. It's really truly just giving you a chance to experience what is a live account. I don't believe in account manager was telling me, all right, account managers from brokers will always tell me you just need to open a $100 account and you'll be able to make millions dollars. No, that's not true at all. Okay, they are just trying to make you their clients. That's all. So don't believe in that. I don't believe in that. Okay, if you ask like a Forex New Way, a very experienced full-time trader. Okay, he's a professional trader. Okay, so I believe he will share the same sentiment, right? All right, pound dollar. Okay, let's take a look at pound dollar. I think the chances is here. Okay, so by looking at pound dollar, although we have about 5 minutes away from H4 opening, there's quite a risk there. Okay, but I think pound dollar, yes, you can take a look. Okay, pound dollar. I'm looking at pound dollar. I'm looking at pound dollar that from here. Okay, that if the H4 right now, because H4 is going to burn. Okay, so tentatively it seems like giving me some signal that, you know, from last hour the rejections and the run again, the selling is not so strong with the rejections again over here. Okay, so pound dollar, if we are going to enter a trade like this, it's going to be very risky. Okay, it looks very risky to me. Okay, it looks risky yet profitable. So, you know, the chances are like a 50-50. Okay, so a bit dilemma over there, right? Okay. Yes, Amil. So I wish you good luck. Okay, but then again, is that just be very careful with your lot size. Try to put it as the minimum, to a minimum lot size to test out. Okay, to test out your strategy. Okay, the way you trade, the structure. All right, before you actually pump in more capital. Okay, so make use of this $100 account. Okay, $82 right now you have to experience. Okay, have a very small lot size. It's not about making money. Okay, it's to find what is your structure, what is the strategy that suits you best before you actually pump in more. Okay, right? So I follow you. All right, thank you. Are we taking sell? No, not yet. Pound dollar looks good to sell, but not yet. Okay, because I'm taking into consideration about the timing also. Okay, we have to take note of the timing when we trade, especially like you know, H4. I always see H4 as a one guideline over here. All right. One H4 opening is another session. All right. So for the current this 4 hours session, it seems like it's selling, correct? But the next H4 open, it may be into the next session, it may change. Especially right now, we are struggling at the support. Am I right? Well, we are very struggling at the support. So, oh my God. The Japanese Prime Minister has pronounced death. Oh, okay. I feel so sorry about it. Yeah, we lost a talent again. All right. That's really very sad. Okay. Okay. Oh, yeah. One of my screen here, I have 8 screens here, and there are blinkings with all the news right now. Okay. So yeah. Anyway, has died after being shot. Well, bad news. Yes, we lost one talent. Okay, never mind. Anyway, okay, so we are still come back here, guys. Come back here. All right, pound dollar. So for Amil, okay. So I'm looking at 17.25. That's my target anyway, just to let you know. Okay, to sell until 17.25 is my target. Okay, Vasali, is Friday a good day to trade? Okay, Friday, is it a good day to trade? I would say yes, but it depends on the situation. Okay, for example, what is happened tonight? Okay, today. Okay, sorry, my time is Singapore 20+8. Okay, tonight. Some of you will be in the afternoon. Okay, we have a non-farm, correct? We have non-farm. So coming again, non-farm over here. We have a very big movement, okay, or sometimes there's no movement, we do not know. All right, so try to avoid to trade during that period of time. Okay, so usually on Friday, I don't trade. I don't trade on the second half US market. I don't trade US market on Friday, or typically on Friday, right? And try if you are trading, that's fine, but I will advise that trading should stop when the pound hours are over. Okay, so UK hour. Okay, then and stop. Okay, second half for the US market usually is very slow. Okay, then low liquidity. We should sleep early to enjoy the weekend. Okay. All right. Okay, Saturday. Usually my weekend, is my planning days. Okay, so usually I have I will have my planning set it on the Saturday. I will come back to office, do out my planning on the Saturday, and then plan for the next week. Okay, so yeah, so usually Friday, I will give myself a little bit of a break on Friday nights to avoid trading. Okay. Yeah. So yeah. Okay. Right. Yeah. Okay. So we are coming in. Okay. Okay. Still waiting. We are now opening. Okay. So H4 open. So H4 has opened. Then hang on, guys. H4 open. All right. Just let's take a look. We are just slightly below the support. We are still slightly below. Okay, on the support area here. Okay, so now, be careful. Okay, be careful. All right, be careful. Okay. What do you do then? What do you mean? What do I do then? On Friday? A break. Okay, a break. Okay. So, yeah. Okay. Okay. Take a break. Okay. Take a half day break. In the evening. Yeah. A beer. Okay. Yeah. Yes, Bradley, a beer. For you, is it? Not for me. I'm a poor drinker. Hubert is laughing there. Okay, right. Anyway, okay, that's not important. Okay, now H4 has opened in pound dollar. Okay, let's take a look at euro yen as well. So euro yen right now we are escalating up again above. So we have 14 pips, 14.43 euro yen. I guess pound yen. Let's take a look. Pound yen. Pound yen. Well, pound yen. I guess pound yen is another good one. Pound yen is reaching the right now is near to the support. Okay. So H4 also the same. We have the same support over here right now, which is very strong over here. So pound yen I'm going to avoid for the moment. Right. Amil, I've learned from YouTube videos on MT4. I see. Okay. I think very informative. You will be able to learn a lot of things. Yeah, you get a chance to learn a lot of things in YouTube. Okay, right. Yeah, but you have to sometimes you have to filter out a bit. Euro yen, it looks good to sell, but once again at this level, okay, this level I'm not very keen. As we can see, there's a lot of rejections from this level of support here. So at this point, this level of support, you don't have a lot of space. You have only 9 pips. Okay, Vasali, you only have 9 pips of space. So currently, if the situation go this way, it went up to test on the resistance without breaking, it comes back. Okay, and from here to here, you have about 50 pips. You have 50, then that will be better. okay, but are afraid to take trade, then you can use a demo account. You can use demo account to try it out first. Okay, use the demo account to try it out first. Importantly, you must set the structure. Once you have a structure, the structure will help you to eliminate a lot of fear. Definitely. Okay. Right. Yeah. Like I have one guy here, CK Mock. Am I right? If CK Mock is still here, okay, you can use Chinese to reply me. He told me in last year, okay, that he also have a period of time that he also have fear entering a trade. And he is able to eliminate the fear, all right, and manage to take trade nowadays and following a structure, okay, right. So you need a structure, okay. Because I don't know about the signals, you don't have to know about the signals. Okay, I think probably you're talking about signals like entry signals, exit signals, right? Am I right? Okay. So probably you don't know about them, so that's the reason you are afraid of taking a trade. Okay, some commonly use support and resistance. Okay, some also using MA. So you have to determine one kind first as a beginner. Okay, to find out. I don't mean you are a beginner. Okay, even for me, when I exposed to new strategy, I will also take myself as a beginner, and I will use a demo account to backtest it. Okay, and then I will set up a structure for that. Then I will know, okay, how the strategy work, how the structure, the signal work. Then I will use that. If not, then usually I will not. Okay, right. For example, I have a structure here. Okay, this is the support area, which we can see from H1 over here. Okay, this is one of very commonly used. Green candle is a support over here, as you can see from the far left. Area of values here. So the support is here. So I plot out this level just as a guide to tell me is the support. Okay, now the support over here. So when I go down to a lower time frame, I want to see engulfing candle. Okay, like example, green candle, like going up. Okay, there's a pullback, there's a swing. Then then there's a coming back for a selling with a green red candle. Okay, yeah. Then I think that is one of the structure. Okay, so there's one guy. Okay, there's a guy who actually using a very extremely simple candle strategy. I am very amazed. Okay, I'm very amazed. Okay, he traded 0.01. Okay, and he used 4 years. I think 4 years, and he is now on 30 lots per trade. Okay, 30. I was very amazed. I was very amazed. I can tell you. Wow, I was like, yes. Okay. So it's plain. It's really plain, simple strategy that you will be amazed. Okay, you will be really amazed. Okay, that it make profits by just taking 5 pips, 10 pips. It's really amazing. I was like, there's no need for any analysis. There's no need for any much analysis. Still have, but not much. Okay, so it's really amazing, right? Okay. Yeah, pound dollar looks good now. As we can see, it has been hovering, struggling around this area. But looking at this, if I'm going to shrink down the chart, okay, I'm going to shrink down this chart. As you can see, a very bearish move, pullback, lower low, and now pullback, a lower high, and now will it go for a lower low? Can you see this is a pattern over here? So pound dollar, okay, pound dollar is also looking good. Pound dollar, okay, but for pound dollar, if I'm going to sell for pound dollar, okay, as in this situation, okay, as you can see, it's struggling around this support area. Seems like it has came down to this level, and it is not actually breaking up, correct? It's still struggling very long. So perhaps there will be a swing down. There will be a swing down to push to test on this level. We have about 16 pips of space, right? We have about 16 pips of space here. So by looking at this point here, it's a bit struggling. Seems like the bear is ending soon, but again, when it comes to the support, below the support over at this point here, is also looking at things like it seems like it is also struggling. Okay, the support has become a resistance over here. As we can see, support tested once, twice, break, correct? So it may comes back to retest. As we can see over here, it has been retested once, okay, over here. So likely, okay, when the engulfing candle comes in a scalp of 5 or 10, I think it's probably quite a good one. Okay, so by looking at this point here, from here to the point here, we have about 20, okay, but just to be safe, a 10, I think probably will be also good, but just take note, okay, it may still hovering quite a while, okay, this level, okay, in this level. All right, so over at this point here, okay, pound dollar is going to retest the support once again. Okay, below the support it become a resistance. So let's just allow it retest first, all right, and then you'll be able to see how it works, how it goes, and that situation will it be good to sell. Okay, so so at this point here, okay, at this point here, so just make sure that it is good to sell. All right, okay. Tentatively, by looking at the previous 1 hour candle, it seems like they're in an indecisiveness situation. Okay, so this hour, perhaps on the next hour, it will give us a clearer direction. Next hour, okay, next hour. Okay, for this case, you can see indecisiveness, right? So the volume is also very high at this part here. Then over here. So this is somehow like, say, testing on the support. It's still testing on the support over here as a resistance. So no, still very struggling over here, right? So just hang on first. Okay, it looks good, but still very struggling. Okay, looks good but struggling, exactly. Is that a situation that, can I say, the buyer and the sellers are actually fighting price there? You can say that. Okay, you can say that. Okay, but once it's clear, okay, once there is a very clear selling signal coming in, I think it will just have a push all the way down to test on the spot over here, which about 14 pips. 5 or 10 scalping will be good to close for the day. Okay, 5 or 10. Okay, yeah, all right, that's for pound dollar. That's for pound dollar. Pound yen, okay, pound yen seems like hitting on the support and is now not going anywhere now. As you can see, it's very clear, right? It's hitting on the support over here, correct? So not going anywhere. Now coming back here, it hits here. You see, clearly it's just face upwards. We have indecisive candle as well, but the difference between pound yen and pound dollar is that pound yen, the indecisiveness is above the support, but for pound dollar, the indecisiveness over here is actually below the support. Actually, it breaks. So now the indecisiveness is whether to short or to break the resistance. By breaking the resistance, it's not easy, right? So the high chance that the selling is coming. Okay, so by looking at this, okay, so first of all, let's compare. If I'm going to sell, okay, the indecisiveness is here, but it's above it's on the support. But as for pound dollar, the indecisiveness is there, but it's below the support. So can you see the difference? One is above, one is below. So right now, For pound yen, of course, there's no need to explain. It's just hitting on the support, not breaking, is going upward. So for pound dollar, okay, pound dollar is breaking the support, but is struggling the support as a resistance. Break the resistance. So to break the resistance is not how there's another obstruction, correct? There's another obstruction. So when there's another obstruction, then that means to say, okay, going up is not easy, but if there's a selling signal, okay, coming down will be so much easier, right? It is so much easier. However, taking into consideration, as we can see from the baseline here, where the support comes in and started to build a higher support, higher lows, higher support, higher lows, right? Then all these are support level. But if the sellers are still in the selling mode, okay, all these are easy, right? So same thing, okay. So just wait for the situation to surface where you can see the sellers are coming in, and we start selling. If not, then it's okay. Then just wait for it to go up and test the resistance here. This is the resistance level, okay? Right, Amil, do you understand what I'm saying? Right, so there's a resistance level. The very fundamental basis for me, okay, to sell, the selling basis over here, I will only want to sell when it tests on the resistance without breaking. Then I will start selling, okay? Then if it breaks the support and retests the support as a resistance, okay, then I will start selling too. I will not sell like a pound yen. I will not sell pound yen when it's so near to the support. Like euro yen earlier on, we were saying that it's so near to the support, I wouldn't want to sell. Okay, even it comes down, okay, it seems good, but then again is that, the support is so near, okay, I wouldn't want to sell. Okay, I wouldn't want to sell, right? So it's very clear if I'm only on the selling direction, okay, so one direction made me so clear, okay, when it comes here, situation, support is near, I cannot sell. Okay, I only have a very tight space. If I'm going for a buy and sell, I was like, okay, I will sell a little bit, buy more, or buy more, sell a little bit. Okay, then in the end, I got a little bit confused. Okay, I will get myself confused. I am. Okay, I'm a very simple man. Okay, so perhaps you're better than me, then you can trade on both directions. Go ahead, all right. But for me, I cannot. Okay, especially my rice bowl is on the chart. So I wouldn't want to risk my rice bowl and break it. Okay, so I have to really be very serious with that. Okay, although like over the live stream it seems like, hey, you are not serious at all, you're not professional at all, of course I'm not. Okay, why? It's because I'm trying to keep myself calm, okay, keep it easy, so that I will not have a very serious emotion stirred up, like, am I going to buy now? Right, this one come, I buy, this one come, I sell. Okay, all these I'm coming down, I'm coming here. Okay, I'm going to, alright, it's coming, and I'm going to sell all this, alright, so this is I'm going to do this and do that. Okay, that's very stressful. No, right, no, okay, keep it easy, okay. Okay, so just keep it easy. Okay, don't let your emotion run wild and take control over you. Okay, so if you are easy, all right, you will not feel the anxiety. I'm going to enter a trade now. Okay, no. Okay, so just keep it easy. Like you see, okay, I see it's good to sell, but it's struggling there. So just wait. If I'm very serious, okay, I'm going to sell no, there's a lot of stirred up. No. Yeah, so most likely, if for pound dollar it is not going to our plan, then I see that it may be looking up to go for a retesting of the resistance. Then it's better. Why? Because it's pulling away. Then we have more space to sell. Right? We have more space to sell. So by then, I think probably it's up here. Okay, then the selling may comes in on the second half. Okay, so in the US market today, all right, so let's wait for the resistance here. The price is 1.19715. Okay, 1.19715, around there, around this area. Let's see. Okay. Sorry. Supposed to be here, to be exact. Area, this area. Okay, 19628. Okay, 1.1962. Okay, so if it's not breaking the support here, that means very highly likely, okay, it's going to retest. It's going to retest the resistance. Okay, it's going to retest the resistance, right? Okay, so this will be one of the target price that you can grab. Okay, you can enter for a selling trade for that. Okay, yeah. Okay, so Euro Yen. Wow, once again. Hi Ahmad, nice to see you here. Ahmad from Indonesia. Right? How to say hello in Bahasa Indonesia? Euro Yen tentatively is moving towards the north, as we can see. Euro Yen is starting to have a support, moving with the higher support, higher lows. Am I right? So it's a sign of strength to buy. A sign of strength to buy. Okay, so a sign of strength to buy where the resistance is here. Okay, resistance is here. Okay, resistance. Bagaimana dengan dollar CAD? Oh no. I'm sorry. Okay, dollar CAD, huh? Dollar CAD. I don't understand. I don't understand that. Do I buy GU pound dollar? Buy a pound dollar. If you're buying pound dollar, we will have a you are on the resistance now. Okay, if you want to buy pound dollar, I would suggest a no lah. Because same thing, I think perhaps the resistance is here for about 15 pips. How many pips do you want to buy against the trend? If you are buying pound dollar right now, you are against the trend. Okay, so of course, by reaching out to the resistance, you may be thinking, okay, since you say the resistance is there, I have 15 pips. Perhaps I can go for a buy first. For me, I will not. For me, I will not. Okay, perhaps you can wait for a while. If there's another retracement, okay, wait for the retracement, come down, test on the support once again, then you buy from here. Okay, then you buy from here. Okay. Dollar CAD. Okay, dollar CAD. Okay, dollar CAD. Now dollar CAD. Looking out for a buy. Dollar CAD is still on the moving on the bull. So for pound dollar right now, we are facing out with some resistance. Okay, so dollar CAD. I think you better avoid dollar CAD. Okay, better to avoid dollar CAD. Why is that so? Is because tonight is a non-farm payroll. Okay, the non-farm payroll over here, and probably it may act a lot. Okay, for dollar CAD. So because right now, if I'm looking out for a buy for dollar CAD, but it's reaching out to the resistance. Okay, it's reaching out to the resistance. Okay, so not very ideal. Not ideal to sell because it's against the trend. Not ideal to buy because you're at the resistance. Dollar yen. Dollar yen. As for dollar yen, okay, let's take a look at dollar yen here. Right, dollar yen over here, we are still looking for. Right now, dollar yen seems like now it's having a higher support moving towards the north. Okay, so support level was here, bringing the price going up, further up. Okay, so right now it's still on the buy side, still on the buy. So tentatively, but we are very near to the resistance. I'm not sure if you are buying or selling for dollar yen, but since you're saying you're stuck, you should be selling. So tentatively, we are quite near to the resistance level over here, about 9 to 10 pips. Okay, about 9 to 10 pips. So tentatively, if I'm looking out for this sell for a while, okay, to 128, one level of 28 and one level of 40. So if this resistance is not breaking, it may come back for a 40, about 40. First about 28 from the resistance, another will be 40, which the price should be around 135,534. Okay, 135,534. Okay, right, 135,534. Okay, I'm not sure if 135,534 will it salvage your price. Okay, right, not sure about that. Okay, so tentatively it's still moving towards the resistance. It will still move towards the resistance. Okay, dollar CAD and dollar CAD, right? Dollar CAD right now, if I'm going for a buy, is we are on the resistance. The resistance is coming, taking action against this dollar CAD now. Selling of dollar CAD now, but it's not very ideal because this level is a higher low level where I see that this level may in the next hour about here 130, 121. Okay, it may have another green candle, buying candle going up from at least about here, about here. Yeah. Okay. Right. Alternatively, it may retest the support level here. Right. It may retest the support level. Over here, right? So if I'm going to sell, it's about 17 pips. So quite a tight space because we are trading against the trend. Okay, tentatively it's still very well supported. Okay, so very well supported. So I will prefer not to. I'll prefer not to sell. Right. Yes. What time frame to get a good analysis? What time frame? You have to combine them. Okay, you have to combine them. You have to combine every time frame because for me, my structure is that every time frame have a different sets of rules. So like dollar CAD over here, usually I use you are looking at H4 and H1 for looking out for a resistance and support that the commonly used. Okay, and H1 will let me see now like this, a green and red candle reaching out for the resistance. Okay, will tell me whether is the cycle is going for a selling. Then you go down to a smaller time frame, like example M5. Okay, if there's a selling from the resistance, okay, then the selling signal from the resistance like this kind of pattern, like this kind of pattern. Okay, this is a very good one. Okay, then you can sell. Looking out for the space, then you look out for the selling. Okay, look out for the selling. Right. Okay. Now dollar, right? Vasali, did you put in the buy? Just now when we were here, we are at the resistance. It actually breaks through now. It's moving towards the resistance. Did you put in a buy? If you put in the buy, okay, please look out for this resistance level. Alright, please look out for this resistance level as we can see in H1. Right, the resistance level, let me shrink now. No. Wow, very good discipline nowadays. Your patience is so good. Thumbs up for you. Okay, so as you can see over here, this the resistance level is here, and now if you are buying, you are very near to the resistance. So like I always say, okay, if we are going to take profits, okay, if you are going to take profit, we have 25% from the support. But if you are going to take profit for buy, there's also 25%. Okay, you also have 25% here, right? I don't want I don't want to go against the trend. Very good, right, Vasali? Right, that's very good. Hey, well done. Okay, so okay, so yeah. And over here. Right. So right now, pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar. If you are going to take a trade for pound dollar right now, example. Okay. This may be not be a very good one because tentatively, if we can see building up a higher support, correct? Okay, if this come down, okay, it needs to come down with about 15 pips. Okay. This will be a good. This can be a scalping. Okay, you can scalp for like say another. Not enough. About 5. We only have a space of 5 to 8. Right. Okay. How do you say good in India? In India, how do you say good? Acha. Vasali acha. Let's say that. I don't know if I'm correct. All right. Vasali acha. I think so. I think acha is good. Right. Okay. So yeah, over here, guys, just take note for pound dollar. Although we have meet up with one resistance, okay, but we can see there is building up a higher support. The next higher support is about here. This level that it may build up. So you may have only about 5-6 pip of space. Very tight. Okay, so don't take the risk. Acha, yeah. Okay. All right. Vasali acha. Okay. All right. Okay. I will learn more. I will learn more different languages. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So that we can bring each other closer. Okay. Just like I'm going to learn this for Caro. I think is Dobra Jutro. Dobra Jutro. I think something like that. Okay, I will still practice. I will still go on the practice. Dobra Jutro. That's good morning. I think so. Okay. Okay, I will learn that. So whenever Caro come in, I will say that to him. I will practice that. That day he was telling me I'm almost there. Okay, I will put in more effort over the weekend. Okay, so yes. Okay, so it doesn't matter if you enter a trade, but today it doesn't seem like there's anything for me to enter a trade. But we just need to understand some structure. Okay, some of the structure that when we wanted to enter a trade, then will it be good? Will it be in our plan? Right, like now, example, the situation, we need to understand the situation here. So this situation here is that you see a support here, all right? So with this support over here, okay, it's coming in a higher support here. So it's pushing near to the resistance. So it's coming back. It seems like, it seems like it's an inverse. Can you see the left shoulder, the head, the right shoulder, okay? So it seems like a inverse head and shoulder. Okay, so probably a buying is going to push again. So that means to say, if they're buying, first step we identify, is it an inverse head and shoulder? Secondly, if there's an inverse head and shoulder, that means it's a buying. The buying is coming very soon, right? If the buying is coming very soon, next to go is look out for the support over here. So the support, it went up for a higher support here, right? So that means to say, I'm going to anticipate where shall be the next level of a higher support. That means the selling may come down halfway and it will start to buy. Okay, another support, another higher lows coming soon to buy, go higher, break the resistance, probably. Okay, because in theory, okay, theoretically, higher lows, higher lows towards the resistance is a sign of strength to buy, to test on the resistance. Okay, so that's theory. Okay, so once again, all right. Okay, so we need to identify the situation. Okay, once we can identify that situation, we will be able to anticipate. So I anticipate around this area. Okay, the price here. Okay, around this price here, about 1.1946. Oh, okay. Okay, 46. Yeah, 1946.0. Okay, 1.196. 1.11946.0. Okay, so if you want to buy, let's say you want to go against the trend and scout for some, okay, you don't really need to have to wait until the support down here, then you buy. Of course, that will be the best, but if you can identify the situation from here to the resistance, you should have about 19 pips, 18 pips. No, it should be around there, right? So at the moment, if at the moment as we are looking at this, all right, of course, we are going against it. We are going against the trend, am I right? So at the moment over here, it should be we should be looking at the point here at this stage that this may be the point that the higher support. A higher support means this one. Okay, this one. Okay, like this. Okay, it's coming at around this level, okay, from the around this level here. So yeah, so you must anticipate. You must know how to anticipate. Okay, so that's it may work at times, okay, but at least you know, okay, that's how it comes about. Okay, how it comes about. Then if I want to have just a scalping of this range for 5 or maybe 10, okay, so I can start to enter at this point. Okay, right? So yes, you can observe first. Okay, right? So 119 460, about that, right? Okay, so let's see. If of course it breaks through below, then of course that means to say the higher lows is not there. Okay, so it's coming back for a selling. So of course from there then it will be so much better. Okay, so to sell from the resistance here to the support here. Okay, we have 12 pips. Then assess the space. The space is only 13 pips. Do you want to sell? I do want to sell. Okay. Will it break? It may break and go down 50 pips, Eric. You know, probably it's only a very good one. But do you know, will it break? If I can see there's a spot there, okay, do you think I will want to predict that it will go further down? I wouldn't want to. I'm scared. I'm scared. Okay, I prefer to, okay, just hang on with it. Let's wait for it to break, and then with a new resistance below, then I start selling. Okay, at least that will do away with a lot of risk. Okay, I will do away a lot of risk. I don't have to take so much risk. You know, every time I have to take so much risk upon entry, it's not comfortable. Okay, it's not comfortable for trading, right? Okay, yes. Well, okay, guys, do remember to stay subscribed. Okay, do stay subscribed, and over the weekend when I have my video, I will post out my video. You can take a look. If it helps you to think back about how you're going to trade for the next week, what are the mistakes that you have done, I have done. Okay, then probably that it can also help you. All right, to plan out, to discipline out the next following week. Okay, and also next week when I come on live and we can come in together, okay, you will receive the notification. Okay, I hope you like this video. Okay, so remember to smash the like button for me, okay, to appreciate the effort behind the videos. Okay, I will be very happy. Okay. Okay, so what is the strategy that you mentioned just now earlier on, which is plain simple? Oh, it's just a candle pattern. It's just a candle pattern. You just understand the candle pattern, all right, and that will greatly help you. Okay. Understanding candle pattern is not that difficult, okay, but again, it's just a guide, okay, it's just a guide, right? It's just a guide, right? Yes. Okay. Right. No, 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 no. No, it's not that. It's simple but not easy. Okay. You know something. We did 80 pips this week, I guess. We did 80 pips. Yes. Yes, 80, about 80 pips. Yes. 80. Yeah, 80 pips. Correct. About 80 pips. About 80 pips. I think so. I think 80 pips was like yesterday. Okay. What is the simple strategy that a beginner could use? Ali? Okay, simple strategy. Simple strategy. Every strategy is simple when you know that, when you know it. Okay, am I sprouting nonsense? Okay. I think probably support resistance. Okay, start off with support resistance. That you can see example like this. Okay. Let's say over here. Okay, there's a support. There's a resistance here. Okay, there's a resistance here. There's a support here. Correct. Okay. Excuse me. So very simple one. Okay. Okay. All right, Ali. So a very simple one. Okay, just give you a very crash course. Okay, a simple one. First step: identify the resistance. Identify the support. Okay. And the theory is that if you are selling, sell at the resistance. If you are buying, buy at the support. Okay. All right. Again, identify the resistance. Identify the resistance. Okay. Identify the support. Okay. If you do not know, you can go back on my videos. Example like one up just earlier on. Okay. My analysis video. Okay. Let me send you a link. Okay. Every day in the morning, I will start to analyze. Okay, I'll start to analyze. Then from there, I will use that. Okay, I will use a support resistance. Okay, because commonly used, a lot of people was always asking me. So I use that. Yes, I use that. Okay, let me send this link. Okay, okay. Yeah, this you can take a look how I actually take this support and resistance. All right, then once you understand this support and resistance, okay, then you will need to apply. You need to apply the theory, right? You need to apply the theory. You need to apply theory that when you are hitting on the support like this, okay, on the support, am I right? Okay, buy. Okay, this is to buy. Okay, if you are selling, wait. Don't let the price go up first. When the price go up and not breaking the resistance, it comes back like this. Green red candle start to sell, then you sell. Okay, this is a very simple one. Very simple. Very basic. Okay, very basic. So example like just now I was saying that okay, look out for this level. Okay, this level like the buyers come in, higher support. Okay, and now higher support coming in as well around this area, right? So yeah, we can anticipate that is this going to be okay, but of course for this price is that now it's coming to the support, correct? It's coming to support, and now it's not breaking, it will go up again. So in the whole, you can see support, higher support is coming. So buying is coming. Okay, there's a lot of theory. There's a lot of theory behind the support and resistance. We don't use support resistance in the way, okay, you draw a line, okay, this is the resistance, okay, this is the support, okay, this is the resistance again, okay, this is the support, okay, and this is the resistance again, okay, this is the support, okay, this is the resistance again, and this is the support. By the time you completed, the price just go around here. Can I enter? Oh, not enough space. Can I sell? Not enough space. Can I buy? Not enough space. I cannot trade at all. Am I right? You go crazy. Okay, you don't do this. Okay, this is crazy. All right. Okay, but for basic support resistance, these are okay. Just like earlier on I mentioned. Okay, just use H4. You can use H4 or H1. Okay, H4 or H1 to go and practice a little bit. Okay, like example, now, okay, you can see this is a resistance, okay, a classic one, okay, and now this is a support, a classic one, right? So, of course, this is still not all, but a very simple one to identify. Is GU good to buy, right? Pound dollar, okay, pound dollar over here, okay. Seems like if you're going against the trend, let me remind you again. Okay, like a 15 pips as the support. Okay, let me see. Like 15 pips because it's a support. Okay, so from the support to the resistance. So talking about 15 pips, I will not really support the idea. I will not support the idea because I see the trend is actually for selling. You are buying, you are anti-trend. So if the whole trend is selling and you are going against the trend, the buying can go very slow. Okay. But if you're selling with the trend, the selling will go very fast. You know what I mean? Okay. But if you're going to scalp for 5 only, okay, that's pretty fine. It's still doable. Okay, it's still okay. Right. But then again, is that you are exposed to a higher risk. Okay. That's why you see I've been waiting. I have no trade today. Not like the past few days we were entering the trade like crazy, But today it seems like it's coming down here. The sellers are stopping here, and the buying seems like because of inverse head and shoulder, it seems like buying is possible, but it's short term. But you must remember it's short term. So you must remember if it's short term, apply the short term strategy. If you have 15, grab a 5, 8. I think it's good. All right. Okay. You must know you are against the trend. So grab just a scalp it. Okay. If like this, buyers coming in. Okay. I would say that now, if I'm going to buy, I'll be looking out for the resistance, about 20 pips. The space will be 20 pips. Okay, 20 pips. Right, 20 pips. So I will take about 10, 15. I think that's good. All right. Hi, Florine. Where are you from? New faces here. Okay. How many trades do you take in a week? That depends on the situation. Minimum 5 once a day. Okay. Okay, I'm talking nonsense. All right, once a day. One trade a day. But minimum 5. Okay. Hi, Florine. Okay. So it depends on situation. Like this week, past few days, selling is very there's a bearish selling for pound dollar and pound yen. We are selling, and I think this week we took quite a number of trades. Quite a lot of trades this week. So it all depends on the situation, right? Oh, you're from Dubai. Wow, Dubai. I'm from Singapore. Right? Oh, Dubai. Very nice place, Dubai. I've been following Dubai for past 15 years. Wow, great changes. Very, very big change. The changes is so fast. Very nice city. I can't remember the name of the tower where the flashing of the change the lights, the wordings. Every New Year when I see, wow, I think it's just right by the should I call it a river? Okay, I don't know like that. Okay, very nice. Yeah. Hi, Kent. Yep. Nice to see you here, Kent. Yep. Where are you from, Kent? Yep. Okay, so for pound dollar, Vasali, okay, Vasali. If I'm going for a buy now, okay, I'll be taking a 10 or 15, a 10 or 15. All right. You should come now to see. 15 years ago was very different. Exactly. Right. Yeah, I think yes. Okay. And yeah, you're from Malaysia. Oh, I see. Are you the Ken Yap I know? I'm not sure. Okay. I'm though and resident, not born in Dubai. I'm European. I see. Okay, okay. Well, I see. Nice. Okay. Wow. I wanted to visit Dubai once again. Ah, this when I talk about it, I'm so excited about it. Okay. Yes, let's come back about here. Pound dollar and euro dollar, right? Okay, euro dollar tentatively, I think we are still going for recovering for the losses over at this point here, from earlier on. Okay, so euro dollar no now. Okay, so for pound dollar, another one pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar partially. Okay, I am too. You are? You're also in Dubai? Oh, I'm sorry, did I miss anything? Oh, I just want to ask you a question. Are you the Kent Yap I knew? Okay, so partially, okay, pound dollar, I'm looking for about 10 to 15. Have you entered the trade? If you entered, do let me know, okay? Florin, how do you like Dubai? Yeah, Ali is in that area. Yeah, thank you for coming into our channel, in this community. Once again, okay, in this community, all right, we are here to share. Okay, we are here to share our view in trading. All right, we are here to build a nice, smiling community. Okay, and also, right, no challenge. We are not here to challenge anybody's view. We are not here to challenge anybody's strategy. We are here to share. All right, we are here to share. Okay, so yeah, right, good in Dubai. A bit cloudy now. Oh, I see. Okay. For pound dollar right now, okay, you have already entered. Okay, so over here, okay, we are now coming back to test a bit over here. So I don't know where did you enter. Okay, from here to about 10 pips, should be 10 to 15 should be around here if you're entering here. Okay, partially. Okay, and yep, I love Dubai. Yeah, Dubai is nice now. I should start moving down Dubai. I'm above Dubai. Okay. Okay, so over at this point here, right? Vasali, are you still there? Okay, so guys, I hope you like this community. So do drop by often. Okay, do drop by often so that we can share our views here also. Okay, right. Singapore is also nice, very friendly people. Thank you very much. Yes, Singapore is also a very nice city. And also, you know, over at this, but it's small, but it's still nice. Okay, of course, compared to bigger country, we have bigger countries have more. We have like Dubai, we have more for us to explore. You know, yes. Okay. Right. So Vashali, are you still there? Let me know. Okay, I'm not sure if where did you enter the trade? Okay, so probably we can discuss that together. From if your entry is around 19421, 1.19421, I guess 10 pips which before the resistance should be good. Okay, good, right? I still see that the higher lows is coming. Okay, a higher lows is still coming on the way, right? So I still see around this level. So in the next 5 minutes, if this higher lows is coming, then I think you will take profit in a short while. Okay, right? Okay, so yes. Foreign USA. Many people from all over the place, all over the world. It's good. Well, so that there's a lot of cultural exchange. Whenever we go to a country, we have a friend. Hey, hi, Florian, I'm here. Okay, in Dubai, right? Hey, Ali, I'm here. Okay, in Pakistan, okay. Or in UAE, all right. So yeah. Okay, so we'll be able to meet up for a meal, for some fun. Yeah, see, so good. When you come to Singapore, let me know. All right, so I'll be here waiting for you. Right. Okay. Let's not just be a virtual one. Okay, we have to be a real one. Okay, live friend. Okay. Yes. Hopefully, we can take good trading together from now on. Of course. Yes. Of course, that is our main target. Okay, so that we are building a fantastic community together, right? Although I'm not the top trader, all right, but we have a lot of big-hearted professional traders here and some full-time traders here to share their views. That will be good. Okay, right. Okay, so Vasali, okay, if you're still here, you're looking at this pound dollar, okay, so, and the higher support is coming, so higher low is coming, all right, so we anticipate around this area, right, so it's coming, so I guess if it's on the next 5 minutes, if there's another new engulfing higher price candle coming in, I think you're taking your profit in no time. Very soon. Yes, today, Kent. Yes, today, non-farm payroll. That's right. Okay, Kent, which part of Malaysia are you from? Perhaps one day I will see you there also. How long have you been trading? Are you full-time in trading? Yes, I'm a full-time trader. That's why you can always see me. I'm at this hour, I'm always here. Sometimes you will see me in Mandarin channel. Okay, I'm a Chinese. Okay, born in Singapore. So, and you'll see me always online. Some people say you're so free. Sometimes you say, hey Eric, you're so free. All right. Yeah, because I'm full-time trader. Yes. Okay. Oh, you're from KL. I see. Right. KL. Okay. Kuala Lumpur. Okay. I will be there one day. Will you want to see me for a coffee? I can buy you Starbucks. Okay, I can buy you Starbucks. All right. I have oh, my name is Eric. Right. I can't. I have Starbucks. I think free flow. Up to you to scan and drink. I hope this benefit still stands. Okay, so yes, so now as just now we were talking about pound dollar. Today we are very boring. So that's why we have a lot of chats. So if you look back on the past 2 days, okay, we don't have time to chat. We'll be shouting here and there. Time to enter. All right, this is enter. Today a bit boring, so we have a plan. We have more chats. Okay. Right, Florin. My name is Eric. So yep. Sure. Why not? Nice. Why not? Nice to meet you. Aha. Okay. Sure. Thank you so much. Okay. All right. So yes. Okay, so over at this area right now, looking at this pound dollar. Okay, I will be looking at pound dollar to test on the resistance up here. Okay, resistance up here. Hi Flory, nice to meet you and happy to meet you too. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Okay, so yeah. Asali, are you ready to collect your profits? Asali went missing. Will be a good Telegram channel to be in touch for some signals. Oh, we are not signal provider, in fact. Okay, we are here to discuss and enter trades as a friends, as a group of friends together. Okay, some people may see that okay, this is a signal provider channel. No, I'm not. Okay, right. Okay, yes, Vasali. So right now, are you on the profits now? Are you on the profits now? Okay, H1 has opened. Okay, H1 has opened just as group of friends. Yes, exactly, Florin. Over here right now, as we can see, if we are talking about things like a very simple theory for Ali or Amil, correct? Amil or Ali just now was Ali or Amil. Okay, so was asking that is there any very simple strategy? Okay, so right now, okay, if we are talking about this, okay, look at the support. Okay, look at the support level. Ali. Okay, Ali was asking. Look at the support level. Okay, 7 pip TP. Okay, 7 TP. Okay, good. That's good. Congratulations. Okay, very good. All right. So yeah, if we look at the simple theory, okay, for Ali, support was here. Now it hits on the support. It's not breaking downwards. So I'm looking of course I'm not looking for a buy, okay, because I'm a seller and the trend is actually selling down right now at the moment. So we are going against the trend. So if we are going against the trend, first of all we need to know the situation. If the situation is selling, then we know that we are actually against the trend. Now we are against the trend, so probably you can go for a scalping, like say understand the situation from the point of entry. If you are here to the resistance, you have about 20, so probably you can scalp for a 5 or 10 or 10 or 15. That's the max. Okay, so leaving some space above for spread, for buffer, just in case the resistance is taking into action and you won't be able to get the full 20 pips, right? So yes, okay, so you can from there you can grab about 15 or 10. It depends on where did you enter. If you enter here, right at the spot here, because it tested, you can see this candle. Let me zoom in. It tested the support over here, right? It tested the support over here. It got rejected. Am I right? So it shows the support was the support stands. Okay, the support is there. So at this point of time, it's really not good for selling. So tentatively, it will go back and retest the resistance to gain more seller before start to sell. Okay, so in this case, right? In this case, then we can put in a buy against the trend. Okay, put in a buy against the trend, but make sure you know the space. Okay, once you know the space over here. Okay, then about 23, right? About 23. So you don't take full 23. Maybe, perhaps it will go above that, more than that, but be safe, right? Because we are against the trend. So if I'm against the trend, right, I will be looking out for 10 or 15. 10 or 15. There's a reason. First of all, the spread from the resistance. Secondly, I always place a 25% rules from the support before I take my profit, from the resistance before I take my profit. 25% rules. That's a buffer. Okay, just in case it hits and comes down, you know, immediately and you miss the slippage is there. Okay, there's a slippage. So why 10 to 15 also there's another reason because of this area. This area may be another area of a very weak resistance, may give a retracement, or this may have a retracement downwards, but it will take longer time to take your TP because this is also another level that we see that may be a higher low level. So yeah, there's a few things that I will take into consideration if I'm going against the trend. Okay, so if you are going against the trend like now that is, I say about 10 to 15, okay, I've been about there, right? Okay, so just take note of this, all this little theory that we are sharing over here, so that it will make, when you make them out, if you piece them out, okay, this puzzle will become a full portrait. Then you will see the picture very clearly. At each time when you're trading, you know the first thing first, I'm going to find, okay, what is the trend, okay, for today, and what is the, if I'm selling, where's the support, where's the resistance, okay, when is the starting point of selling, and what is the situation right now, should I sell or should I wait or should I scalp against the trend. Okay, if I'm against the trend, I will scalp. Okay, when's the time to apply the scalping, when's the time to go for longer trades. Okay, right. But of course, for things like this, certainly we can see that the support is here, right? Ali, I don't want to go against the trend, of course, right? So usually I will wait for it to test on the support here, the retest, then probably I will be buying up. Okay, so yeah, next sell zone will be 1.19739 pound dollar, 97. Next sell zone will be 739. Yes, 739. So it's about here to 1981.9, about here 19, correct? Okay, so it's around here. So yes, Forex New Way, yes, thank you so much. Forex New Way is also one great contributor, always giving us a very constructive informations. Okay, we learned a lot from you. Thank you, Forex New Way. Sorry, was saying I'm waiting for 200 EMA to reach and sell all the way down for 20. Okay, for pound dollar. Are you talking about pound dollar? Yes, GU, okay. So you are waiting for 200 EMA, for you to reach down all the way down. Okay, so 100 EMA. Right, so it's about here. Okay, so you're waiting for this. So waiting for pound dollar to violet line, about violet line, yeah. Okay, about here, right. Okay, so we still have about 100 over pips. So now for 20 to 30 scalping. Okay. So currently, okay, you see, as we can see the views from many of you, okay. Also, addition to mine, okay, addition to mine, all right. We are going to see a slight, let's say, okay, we are going to see a slight selling down, a slight selling downwards, okay. If this selling downwards, going to break this support, I guess it's going to come back again for selling. If it's not, the higher lows will be coming in. A higher low will be coming in here, around here. Okay, then it will start to go even higher. A higher high will be created. Okay, so probably then along the way, then it will start to create until probably at your level, like you say. Okay. Violet line and then sell. You can say that, but it depends on the orange. We are saying that the violet line, right? Okay. Yes, you can say that because I'm using this. Okay, but in conjunction with trend reading as well, so that we will use it better. Just like using your EMA is the same theory. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Well, that's fast. Okay, guys, for people who are new here, thank you for coming in. All right, and I hope you stay subscribed so that I can see you next week. Tomorrow I will have a weekly video, so that I hope those videos will help beginners out there. All right, and also next week I will be around. Okay, I'll still be around. Then once again, I would like to share with the people who are new here. I will only go live trading about 3 hours, okay, because of my vocal. I don't want to injure it again. Okay, so yeah, so I will likely be on the MT4, okay, from UK hour, starting on UK hour. Okay, so that is about 3 hours. Okay, so starting from UK hour, then after that 0809, okay, 0900. All right, then I will stop around here. Okay, to 13. Now it's 13 hour, right? Okay, yeah. So okay, so yes, okay, so yes, guys. Okay, so I will take care and see you on Monday. Thank you so much. Okay, can we trade London Open? Yes, of course. Yes, yes. Of course. Okay. Yep. But usually I will come in around that time. Okay. So so I hope this week, yes, today is Friday, right? This week we have a very good week. Okay, guys. So just now earlier on, I think I asked a question to Kuma. Okay, so if you make a mistake in your trading, right, don't feel frustrated. Okay, what I do always, I don't really go back and look at my losing trade. Okay, I always go back and look at my positive trade. Okay, why? Do you agree with me that the chart is actually a pattern, a picture in front of your eyes? Okay, and we human being, our brain, okay, is very powerful. This is a billion of geeks, or okay, is inside us. Okay, it's billion and of terabytes is inside us. Right? Okay, so whatever you see, it will snap in. So if you always look at the losing trade, oh, I need to go back and find out what's wrong with my trade. It's fine, but don't go in there. Okay. So when you look at the wrong trade, the losing trade, okay, turn the losing trade into what is your profitable trade. Compare. All right. Then you will realize your eyes will always look at the positive trade. When I have a positive trade, I will go back and look at the positive trades. Then I will start to understand why I enter, how I read the chart, how I analyze it, and then it will go into our mind. And that is called a mind map. All right. What is called memory? Do you call that memory? No. Memory is upon you are able to retrieve the messages, the information in the brain out. That's called memory. Example. Okay. Example. All right. Right. Example, like say I just know you, right? So like Florin is a European living in Dubai, right? Ali, you are Pakistan living in the UAE, right? Vasali, you are in India, right? So you know, all these like Forex New Way, you are also also a you know, European in Japan, correct? Okay, so memory is the thing that you bring out the information, So always, that's a very basic thing that you look at the chart. You don't refer all the mistakes and remember the mistakes. Okay, but remember the positive chart, the positive trade. Okay, that's my way. Okay, that's important, but more important is to stick to one system. Exactly. Okay, changing indicator and system is not the way to be a better trader. Learn to use the current system better. Yes, exactly. So, I do agree. I strongly agree. I believe in every system makes money. Okay, every system makes money. So, excel from what you are learning now. Okay, excel from what you know. Okay, and know better and know in depth what you are using. It will be better. Correct. You can be from a novice, and become a mid-pro, and become a pro, and become a grandmaster of it. Correct, right? Okay. So try this week. We have a very good week. Okay. So try over the weekend. Okay. Go back to all the positive trades. Okay, and understand why you get the trade. Why did you get the trade? All right. That would be fantastic. Right. Okay. Hi, Mahir. Do I pronounce your name as Mahir? Mahir from Turkey. Nice to see you here. Right, Eric from Singapore. Okay. Yeah. So yes, guys. So I hope this week we are doing very well. Okay. So just but don't get yourself into a complacency state. Go back and over the weekend look through all the positive trades, and then we will start to understand more. Okay. Right. Forex New Way selling pound dollar. Okay, pound dollar. Okay. I'm following your trade. You're following my trade. Okay. All right. Yeah. Well, I'm not a master anyway. Okay. I'm not very good. Okay. So, but we are all learning from everyone here. Okay. Okay, so yes, okay. So I hope you like my channel. Okay, Mahir. Am I right? Mahir. If I didn't pronounce wrongly, Mahir. Okay. Yes. So guys, again, this hour I'm going to end my 3-hour session. Okay. So I'm going to come back on the next Monday. So I hope to see all of you together with me on next Monday. Right. And thank you so much for the one whole week of profitable profitable time that we grabbed, and the sharing from so many of you here. Really grateful. Thank you so much. Really, thank you very much. And a couple makrab. Thank you very much for the Thai, and plenty of people out there also. Right. So just final one. Give me a like to show your appreciation for the effort behind the video. Okay, so yes, thank you very much, guys. So shall see you next week, and enjoy your weekend. All right, thank you so much. This is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. See you next week.